Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at a 2015 Chevrolet Colorado in silver with gray cloth interior, seating for four, 2 doors, 2 regular, 2 smaller. I shouldn't say 2 doors, you actually need to open the back doors by opening the front doors, so there's technically 4 doors. It's got a 5-foot box and a tonneau cover, and it's really easy to get into this truck. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive. Storage speaker in the door, as well as power locks and windows. Your driver's seat is powered, and off to the side here you have your lighting controls as well as your 4x4. The steering wheel can tilt. On the face of the steering wheel you have the Chevy logo, and when you start up the vehicle you're going to see any important messages, and your odometer reading will be there as well. In the center you're seeing MyLink, and it comes up with different options such as your audio, which is AM, FM. You also have the phone OnStar navigation and settings. Now with the OnStar, that you subscribe to this monthly, so right now it has OnStar capability, but it's not active. Below that is your volume and tuner with your radio. As well, you have your AC, front defrost, your fan and temperature, and down below is the traction control as well as hazard lights and the high mount light. And you've got a little bin there, and down below you're seeing the USB and 12-volt outlet as well. There, the round circle is your auxiliary line in. You have an automatic select shifter, a couple of cup holders. You've got a bin just in front of your armrest, and then the armrest opens up. It's really deep in there, and you've also got a 12-volt. Off to the side is your glove compartment, a manually dimming rear view mirror, and there's your OnStar features, so when you subscribe, these will become active. And then up above you have your lighting controls, and in the body you have a grab handle, making it easier to get in. 16-inch wheels, black door handle, driver's side fuel cap. The black handle extends to your tailgate, and it is lockable. Your backup camera is just below that handle, and the view is in your center console in the front of the vehicle. When you're ready to open it up, simply put your hand in the latch, and inside it's nicely lined. There's tie downs, and you also have that tonneau cover. As well, when you close everything up, you can then use the key to lock it, and you'll notice on the side of the bumper you have cab steps. So this just makes it easier to step up and secure your load or get in there if you need to. Storage and speaker in the door. There's seating for 2 in the back, and these seats flip right up. You just pull the tab at the base and then lift it up, and you've got a nice little bin underneath there, and then it goes down. You have anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats, and in the center a couple of cup holders. You also have a 12-volt outlet. The floor is vinyl, so you can put other mats, but it's easy for wiping up. And up above you have hooks and lighting. A black bumper with steps in it, 5-foot box, tonneau cover, privacy glass in the back windows, halogen headlights, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.